Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you start a war here in Worldbox? This is for the news that don't know how to do that yet. Now, on a small scale civilization right here, there's three types of conflicts that we're going to dig into. So the first one is, of course, the rebellion. We're going to use rebellion here. You see the ones that with the flag here. Just sprinkle it all over whichever country, whichever city you'd like to rebel against their federal government. So let's just highlight it here first so we can see. Yeah, let's just leave the capital, but all of its major cities have now revolted, trying to form and gain independence. So immediately, as soon as you do that, immediately your country, or at least the ones remaining on your federal government, is immediately automatically at war with these insurgents or these states that are declaring independence. So that's how to if you switch this off, let's just turn it to peace mode so that you guys could see the next one is spite. So considering that they're all in peace now, this is a spite type of war. So if I click a country, and the next click is going to be the country that I'm going to pick a fight and be at war with. So immediately the killing resumes here. Okay, so that's just basically it. So I hope this video has been any help. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.